So three variable K-map. So in three variable K-map, we have two structures, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. So from first we can take horizontal. This is horizontal three variable K-map. So here we have partition. Here we take AB, here C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, so 1, 1, 1, 0. So here don't take here 1, 0 and here 1, 1 because so 0, 0 to 0, 1, 1 bit variation, 0, 0 to 0, 1, here 1 bit variation. So 0, 1 to 1, 1, here we get 1 bit difference, here we 1, 1 to 1, 0, here also 1 bit. So that's why we take the order in 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So this is horizontal three variable K map. In this cells, number of cells 2 power n. So 2 power n means n equal to 3. 2 power 3 means 8. We have 8 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is horizontal. Next vertical K map. Vertical three variable K map. Here we have partition. Here we take A, here B, C. Here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we have 8 cells. Compulsory we should take this order only 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next 4 variable K map. 4 variable K map. 4 variable K map. So number of cells 2 power n. So 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 16. We have in 4 variable K map 16 cells. So the square box you should take. So here we have partition AB, CD. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 4 variable K map. This is the 4 variable K map. Next, rules for K map simplification. Rules for K map simplification. First one, groups may not contain 0. Groups may not contain 0. So wherever equations sum of production form, we take 1, and production sum form is 0. We take whenever equations in sum of products form, we take always 1 is grouping. If product sum of some form, we take 0. So in this K map, we should always take sum of products form. That's why 1 is always, so that means 0 is not there. Next, second point, we can group 1, 2, 4, 8 or 2 power n cells. So for suppose here I am taking 4 variable K map. Here AB, here CD. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. If here 1, this can take as a group. This can be take a group. This group equation is here AB CD 0, CD also 0 0, AB also 0 0 0 0. So we can write A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Next, if here also we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is also one group. So in this we have here 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Here AB 0 0 0 1. So common is A. Here common is A. Here A is 0, here A is 0, here B 0 and here 1. So that means here A common. So that A equal to 0, that means A complement. So here C common. What is the C? 1 1. So C and D complement. D complement. Next, if you have here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then take as a group. So this here 1 1 1 0. What is the common A? A equal to 1. Next here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So changing values. So you can take only 1. Don't take here these values. So this grouping is in one element. Here we have 4. So we have double grouping also. This is double grouping. This is at quarter. This is acted grouping. So this is single. Single means one. one grouping. So this is A bar, C, D bar, and double grouping we can write A bar, C. Here only take A because here we have two cells covering here this side 1 1 1 0, that means here A only common, A is 1, that's why you take A 1. So here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So C comma D values changing, that's why you don't take C comma D values. Here we have groupings, here quarter and double, here single number, here octant grouping. So this expression we can write A plus A bar C plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So groups may not contain 0. So in grouping, you take only ones only, don't take zeros. We can group 1, 2, 4, 8 or 2 power n cells. That means here one grouping, here quarter grouping, double grouping and octant grouping. Next third point. So what is the third point? Each group should be as large as possible. Should be as large as possible. So each group should be as large as possible. That means if octant group is possible, no need to quarter and double. If quarter group is possible, no need to double. So if double is possible, no need to single group. This is each group should be as large as possible. That means if octant group is possible, then don't take a quarter. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So A B C D, here quarter, double, this is octant group. So this is single grouping. Each group should be as large as possible means if octant is possible, no need to quarter and double and single. So if quarter is possible, no need to double and single. So if double grouping is possible, no need to single grouping. Next point. Fourth point, cells containing one must be grouped. One must be grouped. One must be grouped. So that means so here if you have P like this, then take here also 1, here also we have 1 1 1. So take this one as a group, corner group. This one also as a group, this one also as a group. So corner groups. Next. So if double is possible, then take the double grouping. This one also, this is one grouping. Next, opposite. If opposite possible, then take opposite groupings. So if possible, corner grouping we take, opposite is possible, then take, and double is possible, then take, no need single. Here we have corner groupings. Next, another point, groups may overlap. Groups may overlap. May overlap. So here what are the expressions? So this expression is A bar, C bar, B bar. So for this A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. Here D bar, B bar. Next point. Opposite grouping. Opposite grouping. Opposite grouping and corner grouping is allowed. There should be as few groups as possible. As few groups as possible. These are the points of rules of K-map simplification. So what are the rules? Rules for K-map simplification. First one is groups may not contain 0. So second point is we can group 1, 2, 4, 8 or 2 power n cells. And third point is each group should be as large as possible. And fourth point is cells containing 1 must be grouped. And fifth point is groups may overlap. Sixth point is opposite grouping and corner grouping is allowed. And last, seventh one, there should be as few groups as possible. So we have 2 variable K-map and 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-maps. After K-map simplification rules,